All right, let's jump straight into the fast lane of turning YouTube into a successful business, all packed into a speedy 8-minute crash course. 1. Finding your niche. Finding your niche is like discovering your superpower in the vast universe of YouTube. It's the unique flavor that makes your channel stand out in a sea of millions. Think about what you're passionate about, something you can talk about endlessly without boring yourself to sleep. It could be anything, as specific or quirky as you like. Maybe you're a master at budget-friendly home decor, a guru in obscure board games, or an expert on training pet chickens to dance. The key is to narrow down your focus so you attract a dedicated audience who are just as excited about the topic as you are. Why does this matter? Because in the vast ocean of content, viewers are looking for specialists, not generalists. They want to come to your channel knowing they'll get the best advice, tips, or entertainment on a specific subject. It's like being the go-to person for fixing vintage cars or making the perfect sourdough. When you have a clear niche, your content becomes more discoverable, and your audience knows exactly what they're subscribing to. So, find your unique angle and own it like nobody's business. 2. Setting up your channel. Setting up your channel is like decorating your own little corner of the internet. You want it to look good, feel welcoming, and clearly communicate what you're all about. Start with a catchy channel name that reflects your niche and personality. Avoid something too generic like John's Vlogs. Instead, aim for something memorable, like John's Jurassic Journeys. If you're into dinosaurs and travel, a unique combo, but hey, it's memorable. Next, your profile picture should be professional, but approachable. It could be a well-lit photo of yourself or a logo if you're branding your channel as a business. The banner is your billboard. It should be eye-catching and informative. Use it to convey what your channel is about in a snapshot. Think of it as a quick elevator pitch. You can include your upload schedule, social media handles, or a tagline that encapsulates your channel's vibe. Lastly, don't forget your channel's About section. It's the perfect place to introduce yourself, explain your niche, and tell viewers what they can expect. It's also great for SEO, so sprinkle in some keywords related to your content. Setting up your channel properly sets the stage for professionalism and credibility, making viewers more likely to stick around and hit that subscribe button. 3. Thumbnails and titles. Think of thumbnails and titles as your video's first impression. The flashy cover that entices viewers to click and see what's inside. They're like the packaging on a product. If it's boring or confusing, people are likely to pass it by. The goal is to create eye-catching, intriguing, and clear thumbnails that make people think, I have to see this. Start with the thumbnail. It should be vibrant and high quality, using bold colors and clear images. Faces tend to perform well in thumbnails because they convey emotion and connect with viewers on a human level. If your video is about a shocking discovery, a thumbnail with a surprised or excited facial expression can grab attention. Add a few words of text on the thumbnail, but keep it short and snappy. Think of it as a mini headline that complements your video title. For example, if your video is a tutorial on fixing a leaky faucet, your thumbnail could show a close-up of the leak with text like, "Stop the drip." Next, craft a compelling title. It should be concise yet descriptive, giving viewers a clear idea of what to expect. Use keywords that people might search for to find content like yours. For instance, instead of titling a video, "My Day at the Beach," go for something like "Epic Beach Day, How to Find the Best Secret Spots." This not only tells viewers what's in the video, but also promises them valuable information. Remember, the goal is to create a perfect harmony between your thumbnail and title. They should work together to pique curiosity without being misleading. Clickbait may get people to click, but it won't earn their trust or keep them coming back. Authenticity is key. Deliver on the promises your thumbnails and titles make, and viewers will reward you with loyalty. 4. Content is king. Now, the heart of your YouTube business. Content. Your videos are the bread and butter of your channel, the reason people come to watch, subscribe, and come back for more. Start by brainstorming content ideas that fit your niche and that you're genuinely excited about. Passion is contagious, and if you're not excited about your content, your audience won't be either. When planning your content, aim for a mix of video types. For instance, if you're running a cooking channel, you could have recipe tutorials, cooking challenges, and taste tests. This variety keeps your content fresh and engaging. Quality over quantity is essential, but consistency is key too. You don't need to post daily, but establish a schedule, whether weekly or bi-weekly, and stick to it. Viewers love knowing when they can expect new content. Script your videos to ensure you hit all the critical points, but leave room for spontaneity and authenticity. Don't worry about being perfect. Viewers appreciate a bit of realness and relatability. Invest time in learning basic video editing skills. Clean edits, good sound, and engaging visuals can make a massive difference in how professional your content looks. Add some fun elements like graphics, animation, or sound effects, but don't overdo it. Always aim to provide value. Whether you're entertaining, educating, or inspiring, make sure your videos give viewers something they can take away. That something could be a new skill, a good laugh, or even a different perspective on a topic. Remember, in the world of YouTube, content is indeed king, but value is the crown that keeps viewers coming back for more. 5. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial in building and maintaining a loyal audience. It's not just about posting regularly, though that's a big part of it. Determine a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or bi-weekly. Consistency helps build anticipation among your viewers. They'll know when to check in for new content. But consistency also extends to the style and tone of your videos. Whether you're always humorous, educational, or a mix, keeping a consistent tone helps establish your brand identity. This familiarity is comforting to viewers and helps build trust. Additionally, consistent branding, like using the same logo, color scheme, and intro music, reinforces your channel's identity, making it more recognizable. The YouTube algorithm also favors consistency. Regular uploads can lead to better recommendations, helping your channel grow more steadily. 6. Engage, engage, engage. Engagement is not just a buzzword. It's a vital part of growing your YouTube channel. It starts with responding to comments on your videos. Thank viewers for their feedback, answer questions, and join in on discussion. This interaction makes your audience feel valued and turns casual viewers into loyal fans. Use calls to action in your videos, like asking viewers to comment their thoughts, share the video, or hit the like button. This not only increases interaction, but also signals to YouTube that your content is engaging. Extend engagement beyond YouTube by using social media platforms to connect with your audience. Share updates, behind-the-scenes content, or even run polls to involve your viewers in content decisions. Hosting live streams is another powerful way to engage directly. Whether it's a Q&A, a live reaction, or a casual chat, live streams allow real-time interaction and make viewers feel like they're part of an exclusive club. The more you engage, the more connected your audience feels, creating a supportive community around your channel. 7. Leveraging analytics and adapting. Understanding YouTube analytics is like having a secret map to treasure. If you know how to read it, it can guide you to success. Start by diving into the basic metrics: watch time, average view duration, and audience retention. These tell you how long viewers are staying engaged with your content. If you notice a drop-off point in your videos, you might be losing viewers due to a dull moment. Time to cut that fluff. Pay attention to the click-through rate, CTR, of your thumbnails and titles. A low CTR might mean they aren't enticing enough. Also, track the traffic sources to understand where your viewers are coming from, be it YouTube search, suggested videos, or external sources. This helps you tailor your content and promotion strategies accordingly. Use the demographic data to know your audience better. Knowing their age, gender, and location can help you create content that resonates more with them. Remember, analytics are your best friend in understanding what's working and what isn't. So use this data to refine and improve your content strategy. And there you have it, your ultimate fast-track guide to YouTube success. Subscribe explained.